The Kufic script is a style of Arabic script that gained prominence early on as a preferred script for Quran transcription and architectural decoration, and it has since become a reference and an archetype for a number of other Arabic scripts. It developed from the Arabic alphabet in the city of Kufa, from which its name is derived. Kufic is characterized by angular, rectilinear letter forms and its horizontal orientation. There are many different versions of Kufic, such as square Kufic, floriated Kufic, knotted Kufic, and others. The artistic styling of Kufic led to its use in a non-Arabic context in Europe as decoration on architecture, known as pseudo-Kufic. Calligraphers in the early Islamic period used a variety of methods to transcribe Quran manuscripts. Arabic calligraphy became one of the most important branches of Islamic art. Calligraphers came out with the new style of writing called Kufic. Kufic is the oldest calligraphic form of the various Arabic scripts. The name of the script derives from Kufa, a city in southern Iraq which was considered as an intellectual center within the early Islamic period. Kufic is defined as a highly angular form of the Arabic alphabet originally used in early copies of the Quran. Sheila S. Blair suggests that the name Kufic was introduced to Western scholarship by Jacob George Christian Adler, 1756 to 1834. Furthermore, the Kufic script plays an important role in the development of Islamic calligraphy. In fact, it is the first style of Islamic period writings in which the manifestation of art delicacy and beauty are explicitly evident, says Salwa Ibrahim Tawfiq al-Amin. The rule set for this writing was about the angular, linear shapes of the characters. In fact, the rules that were defined at the outset of the Kufic tradition essentially remained the same throughout its lifespan, says Alon George. In recent years, this calligraphy form has been receiving more popularity for use in ornaments such as in decorated clocks, frames, stickers, logos, that usually implies Islamic enterprises in government and private sectors, and even in freestyle Arabic calligraphy competitions. There has been a disciplined approach of creating square Kufic calligraphy. This controlled method of creation preserved basic and accurate features of Arabic letters with few compromises, if any. A finished work can then be qualitatively judged rather than only appreciated as an abstract piece. Created this contemporary artwork using Kufi style. I will explain you how quickly you can do this inside the CorelDraw. Doesn't matter any platform, or even you can use the pen or paper to create them. The language ones using the technique if you would like to this artwork in detail or grab it. Will Kufi Calligraphy watch all videos to my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate if you could have a look at the artwork which is on my YouTube channel. Have a look at them. And if you could write a review that really matters to me. That's it for now, guys. I hope this was very helpful. If you like this video, I would appreciate if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would give me a motivation to more videos.